is a quick guide to using our new AI-powered search tool accessible via our homepage, nicholashall.com. You can see I've already typed vitamins here in the search field in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to press go. This is a very basic search term just to show you the breadth of the search and show you the way the results are pulled from across our subscriber services. You can also access the search tool via any of the subscription service homepages. So you can click on any of these and it will show you the relevant article, and that's because I'm logged in and I'm obviously a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, it will give you details about how to access that. So as you can see, this here is from Tracker, and these are all arranged via date. You can see the way in which this works. It's going to be very, very useful for just a quick cross-service search. With reports, obviously these aren't available online, so it will show you details about how to purchase the report if it covers the topics of interest. And of course, you can contact us at any time for more details about any of the services or how to use the search to make sure you maximise this.